In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message on Fresha with our full 2025 tutorial. Whether you're looking to inquire about a new hairstyle, book a relaxing massage, or simply ask about the latest promotions, Fresha makes it easy to connect with service providers directly. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open Fresha. You can do this by logging into your Fresha account. If you're using a mobile device, simply download the Fresha app available for both iOS and Android. If you're on a laptop or desktop, head over to www.fresha.com. Logging in is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll access a world of salon, spa, and wellness services at your fingertips. Next, let's navigate to the provider profile. Use the search bar conveniently located at the top of the screen to find the salon, spa, or wellness service you're interested in. Start typing the name of your preferred provider, and Fresha will quickly suggest matches. Once you see the one you're looking for, tap or click on their profile to open it. Here you'll find all the essential details about the provider, including their location, contact information, and types of services offered. Now let's get to the messaging part. On the provider's profile, look for a button labeled Message or Chat. This is your gateway to starting a conversation. Tap or click this button and a chat window will instantly appear. In this window, you can start typing your message in the text box provided. Whether you're curious about available services, want to know more about pricing and promotions, or need to inquire about appointment availability, this is your chance to ask questions. You can even discuss any special requests or customizations you might have in mind. Once you've composed your message, simply tap Send to deliver it. Providers on Fresha are quite responsive, typically replying through the Fresha app itself, or if you prefer, you might receive email notifications for replies. It's a versatile system that ensures you'll get the information you need in no time. Don't forget to check your inbox or the messages section on the Fresha app or website for any responses. This is where you'll find replies waiting for you, and they'll help you finalize any plans or bookings. And there you have it. Messaging on Fresha is as simple as that. We've walked through opening Fresha, finding and accessing provider profiles, and sending messages to get all your service-related inquiries answered. Whether you're a long-time user or new to Fresha, these steps will guide you effortlessly in contacting providers and making the most of your wellness, spa, or beauty experience. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.